Hello friends, welcome back to Gpat tips and tricks. Today in this video I will be discussing 50 very important human anatomy and physiology MCQs. But before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further delay, let's start the discussion. The first question is, the normal blood pressure of a healthy person is. Options given are option A 150 by 70 mm of Hg, option B is 120 by 80 mm of Hg, option C is 140 by 90 mm of Hg, and option D is 100 by 80 mm of Hg. So we all know that the normal blood pressure of a healthy person is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. So the correct answer is option B. Here 120 is the systolic pressure and 80 is the diastolic pressure. Next question is, parotid glands are present in. Options given are option A stomach, option B mouth, option C pharynx, and option D is intestine. So first of all we must know about the parotid glands. What is parotid glands? So parotid glands are one of the pair of salivary glands, and we all know that salivary glands are present in mouth. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is, liver is a storage site for. Options are option A glycogen, option B starch, option C glucose, option D lactose. Its correct answer is option A glycogen. Liver is the storage site for glycogen. Next question, the total lungs capacity is about. Options given are option A 500 ml, option B 100 ml, option C 200 ml, and option D none. So its correct answer is option A 500 ml. Next question is, right side of the heart contains. Options given are option A pure blood, option B impure blood, option C lymph, option D none. As you know, the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different body parts, and while the right ventricle pumps out deoxygenated blood to the lungs, so the right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is, the optimum pH for salivary amylase is. Options given are option A 7.4, option B 4.5, option C 6.8, and option D 3.5. Its correct answer is option C 6.8. 6.8 is the optimum pH for salivary amylase action. Next question is, the proteolytic enzymes of pancreatic juice is. Options given are option A trypsin, option B peptidase, option C pepsin, option D all. So the proteolytic enzymes found in pancreatic juice are trypsin and chymotrypsin. So here the answer will be option A trypsin. Next question is, the accumulation of carbon dioxide gas in lungs is called. Options given are option A anoxia, option B asphyxia, option C anorexia, option D none. Here the correct answer will be option B asphyxia. Asphyxia is the condition characterized by decreased oxygen and increased carbon dioxide content in the body. The term anoxia means decreased oxygen supply to the tissues, whereas the term anorexia means loss of appetite. Actually, it is an illness where the patients are afraid of being fat, so they stop eating. The next question is, endocardium is layer of. Options are option A kidney, option B lungs, option C heart, and option D stomach. So endocardium, the cardium term comes from cardiac. Okay, so cardiac is the term used for heart. So you can guess that endocardium is a layer of heart. So the correct answer will be option C. Next question is, which part of pharynx is associated with digestion? Options are option A nasopharynx, option B laryngopharynx, option C oropharynx, and option D all. So its correct answer will be option C oropharynx, because it is the part of throat behind the oral cavity. Okay, so it is associated with digestion. Next question is, which one of these produce antibodies? Options given are option A pharyngeal tonsils, option B laryngopharynx, option C oropharynx, option D larynx. So as you know, antibodies are produced by lymph glands in response to body's immune system, and your tonsil is one of the lymph glands. So the correct answer will be option A, tonsils, pharyngeal tonsils. Next question is, diphtheria is infection of. Options are option A, larynx, option B, pharynx, option C, trachea, and option D, bronchi. Diphtheria is the infection of nose and throat. So the correct answer is option B, pharynx. Next question is, the systolic pressure is the, options given are option A, maximum pressure, option B, lowest pressure, option C, none. Its correct answer is maximum pressure. Systolic pressure is the maximum pressure which is generated by the heart. Next question is, the optimum pH for pepsin is, options given are option A 1.5 to 3.5, option B is 2.5 to 4.5, option C is 4 to 5.5, and option D is 5 to 7. So pepsin is the proteolytic enzyme secreted by gastric chief cells, and its optimum pH is 2.5 to 4.5. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is, C-shaped hyaline cartilage are present in, options are option A, larynx, option B, trachea, option C, pharynx, option D, none. Its correct answer is option B, trachea. C-shaped hyaline cartilages are found in trachea. Next question is, change in partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas in the blood is responded by. Options given are option A, baroreceptor, option B, chemoreceptor, option C, alpha receptor, option D, none. So its correct answer is chemoreceptor, because chemoreceptor senses the changes in carbon dioxide, oxygen and pH of blood, whereas baroreceptor measures blood pressures on arteries and veins and accordingly उसको बढ़ाना या घटाना करता है. Next question is, which one of the following is not a lymphatic gland? Options given are option A, pancreas, option B, spleen, option C, tonsils, option D, thymus. The correct answer is option A, pancreas. Pancreas is not a lymphatic gland. It is a mixed gland. It has both endocrinal and exocrinal functions. Next question is, succus entericus is related to, options given are option A, pancreatic juice, option B, intestinal juice, option C, enzymes present in stomach, and option D is none. Succus entericus, this is the alkaline secretion which is produced by the glands present on the walls of small intestine. So succus entericus is related to intestinal juice. Okay, correct answer is option B. Next question is, the right and left lungs are divided into, options given are option A is 3 lobes and 2 lobes respectively, option B is 2 lobes and 3 lobes respectively, option C is 3 lobes each, option D is none. So its correct answer is option A. Right lung is divided into 3 lobes and left lung is divided into 2 lobes. Next question is, which is the main organ of urinary system? Options given are option A is kidney, option B is ureter, option C is urinary bladder, option D is urethra. So the main organ of urinary system is option A, kidney. Next question is, the reserve pacemaker is, options are option A, AV node, option B, SA node, option C, bundle of His, option D is Purkinje fiber. Its correct answer is option A, AV node. Okay, AV node is the reserve pacemaker, whereas SA node is the natural pacemaker of heart. Next question is, the intestinal juice contain enzymes. Options are option A, trypsin, option B, chymotrypsin, option C, enterokinase, option D, peptidase. Its correct answer is option C, enterokinase, and other options are the secretion of pancreas. Next question is, the number of pairs of intercostal muscles are, options are option A, 14, option B, 10, option C, 11, option D, 9. So intercostal muscles are the muscles which are present in between the ribs, and its correct answer is option C, 11. Next question is, the blood vessels enter in the kidney through, options given are option A, medulla, option B, cortex, option C, hilum, option D, adrenal glands. Its correct answer is option C, hilum. So the blood vessels enter or exit through hilum. Next question is, the peritoneum is a, Options given are option A, outer covering of alimentary tract in abdomen. Option B is outer covering of thorax. Option C is inner covering of rectum. Option D is none. Its correct answer is option A. Peritoneum is the outer covering of alimentary tract in abdomen. Next question is sodium taurocholate helps in the digestion of, and the options are option A, peptide, option B, disaccharide, option C, fats, option D, polysaccharide. Its correct answer is option C, fats. Next question is the number of respiratory cycles per minute in normal quiet breathing is. The options given are option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 8. Its correct answer is option B 15. The number of respiratory cycles, that is total inspiration and expirations taking place per minute in normal breathing, is 15. Next question is the basic unit of kidney is. The options are option A glomerulus, option B nephron, option C loop of Henle, option D none. Correct answer is option B nephron. Next question, the teeth are embedded in the alveoli of. Options are option A mandible and maxilla, option B mandible, option C maxilla, and option D none. Its correct answer is option A, mandible and maxilla. Mandible and maxilla are the facial bones. Mandible form the lower jaw and maxilla, it forms the upper jaw. Next question is colon is related to. Options given are option A, large intestine, option B, duodenum, option C, ileum, option D, jejunum. Its correct answer is option A, large intestine. Duodenum, ileum and jejunum, all these three are the parts of small intestine. Next question, tidal volume is amount of air which. Options given are option A, passes into and out of lungs during each cycle, option B, can be inspired with the maximum effort, option C, can be expelled from the lungs during maximal expiration, option D, none. So its correct answer is option A. The tidal volume is the amount of air which passes into and out of lungs during each cycle. Next question is water is absorbed in renal tubules due to the effect of. Options given are option A aldosterone, option B thyroxine, option C parathormone, and option D all. So its correct answer is option A aldosterone. Aldosterone is a hormone which is secreted from adrenal glands and it is responsible for the reabsorption of water in renal tubules. Next question, the number of temporary teeth in human beings are. Options are option A 26, option B 20, option C 18, option D 22. Its correct answer will be option B 20. Next question, which one of these glands has both endocrine and exocrine function? Options are option A liver, option B gallbladder, option C pancreas, option D duodenum. So its correct answer is option C pancreas, because pancreas has both endocrine and exocrine functions. Next question, tonsils are present in. Options are option A pharynx, option B larynx, option C pancreas, option D liver. The correct answer is option A pharynx. Next question is trigone is present in. Options are option A urethra, option B urinary bladder, option C ureters, option D kidneys. So what is trigone? Trigone is a triangular tissue which is present in lower part of urinary bladder, okay, near the opening of ureter. So its correct answer will be option B, urinary bladder. Next question is premolar teeth is used for. Option given are option A incising, option B canning, option C grinding, option D all. So premolar teeth are used for crushing and chewing of food, and so the correct answer will be option C grinding, okay. Next question is which one of these glands is associated with deamination of amino acids? Options given are option A liver, option B gallbladder, option C pancreas, and option D duodenum. Its correct answer is option A liver. Next question is normal inspiratory reserve volume is. Options are option A 4000 ml, option B 2500 ml, option C 1000 ml, and option D 500 ml. First of all, you must know what is normal inspiratory reserve volume. So it is the amount of air that can be forcibly inhaled after a normal tidal volume, and it is about 2 to 3 liters. So here the correct answer will be option B, 2500, that is 2500 ml. Next question is, nephritis is a disease occurs in. Options are option A, kidney, option B, urethra, option C, ureter, option D, bladder. As nephritis comes from the word nephron, and nephron is the unit of kidney, so the correct answer is option A, kidney. Next question is, bile is formed in. Options given are option A, liver, option B, gallbladder, option C, pancreas, option D, duodenum. Correct answer is option A, liver. Bile is formed in liver, but it is stored in gallbladder. Next question, the number of nephron in each kidney is about. Options are option A, 100, option B, 1000, option C, 1 million, option C, 10,000. So its correct answer is option C, 1 million. Next question, the capacity of bladder is about. Options given are option A, 100 ml, option B, 500 ml, option C, 200 ml, and option D, 1 liter. So its correct answer is option B, 500 ml. Next question is, urinary tract infection is caused by. Options are option A, E. coli, option B, M. leprae, that is Mycobacterium leprae, option C, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, option D, Salmonella typhi. Its correct answer is option A, E. coli. E. coli are mostly responsible for urinary tract infections. Next question is, glucose reabsorption take place mainly in. Options are option A, distal convoluted tubule, option B, collecting duct, option C, proximal convoluted tubule, and option D, loop of Henle. Its correct answer is option C, proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. Okay. Next question, polyuria is a condition characterized by. Options are option A, increased urine formation, option B, appearance of glucose in urine, option C, appearance of protein in urine, option D, all. Its correct answer is option A, increased urine formation. Polyuria means increased urine formation. Next question is, growth hormones is released from. The options are option A, pituitary gland, option B, thyroid gland, option C, parathyroid gland, option D, parotid gland. Its correct answer is option A, pituitary gland. Next question, which endocrine gland is present in front of larynx? Options given are option A, parathyroid, option B, thyroid, option C, thymus, option D, adrenal. So the endocrine gland which is present in front of larynx is thyroid gland. So its correct answer will be option B. Next question is, T4 and T3 are secreted from. Options are option A, parathyroid gland, option B, thyroid gland, option C, thymus, option D, none. Its correct answer is option B, thyroid gland. And today's last question is, the hormone concerned with regulation of basic metabolic rate is. Options are option A, thyroxine, option B, parathormone, option C, adrenaline, option D, calcitonin. Its correct answer is option A, thyroxine. Thyroxine is the hormone concerned with regulation of BMR, okay, basic metabolic rate. So that's it for today's video, friends. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So see you in next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.